Ah, it's recording.
Well, duh. Sit on record.
Hi, Mom. Okay, well, here is Shay, an average girl.
Leave me alone. I'm picking a song.
We're just zoom in on this.
It's on the little button. It's right there. Look, right there. You turn it, and it's like.
Come on.
Turn it back and forth. And it goes. Who did you say? Oh yeah.
There's Shay. Shay's face.
You're weird.
There's her phone. And there's her boobs. There's the loser. Okay, zoom out, thingy. This is my room. And this is my closet. And this is me. And here's Shagan. And here,
Are you spelled Stefani? Stefani?
I don't know. Here are Shay's feet, which are attacking the camera. And there's her hand. And her fingers. And her knuckles.
What are you doing?
And her wrist. And the whole rest of her arm.
Yeah,
But we'll get back to that later.
No wonder it didn't work.
Okay, well, here's her other arm and her other fingers holding her other phone.
I only have one phone.
And there's Loose and Looser.
What?
And there's Pants. Okay, how does this stop? Do I push the button?
Yes, you